You may catch Metrobus at any Metrorail station or at any of the Metrobus signs along the routes. Fairfax County Metrorail stations include Wheelie-Reston East, Spring Hill, Greensboro, Tyson's Corner, and McLean on the Silver Line. Vienna, Dunloring, and West Falls Church on the Orange Line. The Huntington Metrorail station on the Yellow Line, and the Franconia, Springfield, and Van Dorn Street Metrorail stations on the Blue Line. Many of the Fairfax County Metrorail stations have paid parking available, and all are served by Fairfax Connector or Metrobus. For more information about Metrobus routes or Metrorail lines, schedules, and parking fees, visit www.wmata.com or call the Washington Metropolitan Area Transit Authority at 202-637-7000. The TTY number is 202-638-3780.